Right, another update. So it's 4:45 Monday morning. Barhale generator has fired up again. It's just woken me up. Obviously no one's at work. Intrusive noise. No unauthorized persons allowed on site. There's absolutely no one on site. There's no reason for this to be running. I've taken this up with Barhale about 2 or 3 dozen times since October last year about running their generator at antisocial times. I'd love to know from Barhale why it's necessary for them to run their generator at 4:45 in the morning, find up at the same time on Sunday morning, 4 o'clock. So that's yesterday and today and many other times over the last 5 months that this generator just runs. I've been in touch with Barhale dozens of times about this, and they reassure me that the issue is being dealt with. Clearly not. I think I said in a previous post, Barhale has become that noisy neighbour that plays loud music in the middle of the night, apologises in the morning, promises it'll never happen again, and then it does. So I'm going to post this, I'm going to load this up again to YouTube, send this to Barhale and ask for comment, and basically share whatever their response is on the comments to this video that I'm going to load up to YouTube. It's just madness. Really impacting my ability to get sleep and actually for me to do my own job. Zero consideration from Barhale, absolutely zero.